Considered by the many of the protective without being aggressive, they make an excellent choice for the family pet because they do exceptionally well with the children. They are totally devoted and happy to be with their owner, but wary of strangers, making them a good choice. So fearless, loyal, they would fight to death to protect their own family. Visitor and friends that enter the house should be introduced to the dog. People interested in this breed must be experienced with large dogs. And please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and to keep on following us.